Hello, my name is Norman Watts. I'm the Chrysler sales manager, used car sales manager at Don Davis dealerships in Bay City, Texas. We've been using Mr. Doerding's services here for 8 years, and I've been in the car business for 20 years, so obviously been around a lot of door dings and dent repairs and different services that are provided to us as dealerships. There's a lot of places that come in, promise you the world, can't deliver, won't deliver, disappear. Mr. Doerding's not that way. He comes to see us. We have cars, have dents, we trade for stuff every day. These cars that have the dents in them, he comes to see us weekly, takes care of everything that we need. Price is fair, works outstanding. Really nothing else to complain about. I've watched him do the job. Something I couldn't do. No way. I've seen this done for many years. There's no way that I could do it. I know how it happens. I see what the results are, and I'm impressed every time. I appreciate the work that they do, and we'll be using them for a lot of years to come.